Yeah. So the topic named here is the 6th chapter, and the name of the chapter is triangles. Okay. Basically, what are we studying in this is that similar triangles. Yes. First thing is that similar triangles. If the triangles are similar, then what are we going to do, please? Here in the 8th standard or 9th standard, we studied about wait, AC people have come. Just hold on, please.
Okay, sir.
தண்ணி வேணும்னா இங்க இதுல இருக்கு. இங்க இருக்குது. இல்ல நான் வெயிட்ல இருக்கு. அங்கே இருக்குது, அங்கே இருக்குது, எல்லாமே அங்கே இருக்குது. Right, sorry dear sir, I think I kept him waiting. They are fixing my AC pass, so that's why he has come now. Since morning I was waiting for him. Okay, triangles, similar triangles. Then using this one, also we studied the 8th standard or 10th, 9th standard, we studied congruency of triangles, correct? And
Yes, sir.
the congruency of triangles means what? This is called equal and this is called similar one. two triangles must be similar to say that they are congruent. Again, what are similar triangles? So let us study what are similar triangles first. See, this is a very big triangle now, and this is very small triangle ABC. This is the DEF. When do you say that two triangles are similar? Now, if the angles of two triangles are equal, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. What do you mean by corresponding? A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to F. If the corresponding angles are equal, A is 60, B is 60, B is 40, E is 40, and automatically remaining angles must be equal. 180 is the 80. Now I say that the two triangles are similar. Only for two triangles you have this feature. If the angles of two triangles are equal, if the angles of two triangles are equal, we say they are similar. They are similar. This is a symbol for similar mark. We say they are similar. Yaar third one join from Nagarani. Okay, very good. Yes, Naga, welcome. See, if the angles of two triangles are equal, we say that they are similar, right? Next, but it's not for all polygons. Triangle is also a polygon, but triangle is the basic polygon. If you go for a quadrilateral, if you go for pentagons, hexagons, can you call? I'll just give you a simple example, please. Okay. Simple example like you take a rhombus and you take a parallelogram. Angles, same angles, let us give it, okay? 30, 30, 150, 150. So this is also same 30, 30, 150, 150. Can you say these two are similar? No, because angles are same. No, angles are same. At the same, see, if you want to give a general definition of similarity of polygons, there are two things, please understand. Triangle is the subset of polygons. When you want to talk about polygons, you need to give which definition which suits for all. But I am coming down to my triangles. If I want to come down to my triangles, if the angles of two triangles are equal, we say they are similar. It is not for all cases. If I want to talk about other polygons like quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, nanogons, decagons, etc., etc., I have to give one generalized definition of similar polygons. So when do we say that Parma is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10? Okay? Can you see they are similar? Then see, what do you mean by a similar? Then I will give a beautiful English definition. Similar. You have a Maruti Alto. Okay, you have a Maruti Alto. Your car is Maruti Alto. Okay. This is our model. Okay, the Alto. Okay, this is your car, which is in the your shed. Okay, your garage. Whereas you have one Maruti Alto model, okay, Maruti Alto model in the house. In the what to say, you have a what is the term? Showcase, okay? In the what do you call it? In the showcase, you have a Maruti Alto model, which is very, very small, but which has got 4 tires, everything is there, okay? But they are in a small size. It has got steering, it has got window panes, gas panes, front, everything is visible to you, right? But this is the smaller version of this one. There, sizes are different, but their shapes are alike. That is called similarity, yes. You have bangles, bangles. You have a big bangle, small bangle. They are similar. All circles are similar, my dears. All circles are similar. Only radii differs, ma. But whereas if you take these polygons, here angles are same, but the size shapes are not alike. So to be the precise way of looking at similarity is that this one, ma. Shapes are the same shapes are alike and sizes are in proportion. Sizes are in proportion. What does it mean, dear Saitel? That means what? Suppose Maruti Alto car length is say some 3 meters, but you are having just 5 centimeters. That proportion has to be maintained in every respect, please. Every respect. So the shapes are alike and the sizes are in proportion. What do you mean by that, Anna? I'll give you that example now, please. Come on. So let us say this is 2A ma. This is 2A. Okay. This is 3B. Chumma ido or solra. Okay. This is 5C. Two A, 2B, 2C. Okay. Then you take this thing is A, B, C ma. Okay. And then this length is A, this length is B, this length is C. Here 2A, 2B, 2C. Are they not proportional? Is it right?
They are.
BC, yes ma, BC by EF, CA by FD, AB by DE is 1 by 2, right? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
So here angles are same, but sides are not in proportion. Here angles are equal. Once the angles are equal in triangles, the sides will be in proportion. That is the beauty of triangle, not in others. That's the beauty of triangles. Angles are same. Thereby, if angles are equal in two triangles, if angles are equal in two triangles, if angles of two triangles are equal, yes. If angles of two triangles are equal, then their sides will be in proportion. Sides will be in proportion. What do you mean by a proportion, my dears? Anybody? Proportion means ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, dears. Paranga. This is BC by EF. Paranga. BC by EF. This is CA by ED, FD. Because 80 opposite per 40 opposite is what my AC. In the 40 opposite DF. Paranga. AC by FD or DF. Next is 2C by C. What is that called? AB by D. Are you clear, ma? This is called proportion, dear. So is equal to what, ma? 2 by 1 by 2A by A. What is 2A by A per 2? So this is what is called, this is a fantastic way of telling that two triangles are similar means. If two triangles are similar, see, if two triangles are similar, then the angles of the two triangles are equal and their sides will be in proportion. This will happen once the angles are equal, the sides will be in proportion. If the angles are same, automatically sides will be in proportion, but not in others. If you want to give a general definition for similarity of polygons, similarity of polygons, I tell you that. Similarity of polygons. Similarity of polygons. You should say both, ma. Angles of two figures, two polygons. Angles of two polygons must be equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. This both should happen. You take two squares, ma. You take two squares. They will be in proportion. This is all sides are equal to A, B, C, D. Next, you have a PQRS, bigger one, let us take. All are equal. This is called 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. This is called PQRS. Angles are all 90 degree, ma, please. Now we could say that these two squares are similar. Side angles are equal and sides are proportional. That's why they are similar squares. They are similar squares. Puridama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So, now, as far as triangles is concerned, once the angles are equal, which means what? Automatically, the sides will be in proportion. You need not check both. One thing happens, other thing will automatically happen. That means what? If the angles are equal, sides will be proportional. Or if the sides are proportional, automatically angles will be equal. Okay, Pridapa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, yes. So, this is about the similarity of triangles. I don't want to dwell much on the similarity of triangles. There is a theorem. That theorem, I will do it. Okay. And any deletion is there given in this. Any deletion is told?
No, sir, for triangle lesson.
Okay, no deletion. Wonderful. Good. It's a good chapter. Don't go for deletions. We have to read Pakka. This chapter is such an amazing one, such a difficult one. We don't like geometry, not like geometry is not taught well in the schools. That's all I can say. Right. So what I do is now, I'll go straight away for these things now. These are all very important things. BPT and CBPT. Number one. Number two, areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. Very, very powerful theorem. The theorems, BPT means basic proportionality theorem and the converse of basic proportionality theorem. CBPT, okay? Converse of basic. Next one is 1, 2 actually. I am putting number 1 umbrella, areas of similar triangles. The areas of similar triangles only is actually. It appears to be one statement, but having lots of things, I'll come to that. Third one is called Pythagorean theorem and the converse of Pythagorean. These are the 4 theorems we are going to study to kill all the exercises with comfort. Guys, first thing is that I will just give a brief of each theorem here. Okay? Brief of each theorem. What is BPT? Let me draw a figure. This is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. I will give a statement of the BPT also. There is a triangle ABC in which you draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle. Preferably, we will draw to this side parallel. This is my side parallel to BC. This BE is parallel to BC. I have drawn a line parallel to BC. Friends, what will happen if I draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle in a triangle? Friends, here, is it not this B is dividing into two parts, maybe?
Yes,
Depends,
sir.
it need not be equal, mark. It need not be equal. It depends on where you are drawing the DE. In the corner, those two parts are here. What he says
sir.
is, if a line drawn, please listen, if a line drawn, statement of BPTDS, if a line drawn parallel to, I am not saying what I am not doing it, right? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, எப்படி draw பண்றீங்க? When the triangle is here, triangle. This is BC. A. I can draw a line parallel to BC like this. This is one possibility. We don't like that. I have one more possibility like this, through A. We don't like this. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle so as to, I am drawing like this, B and E, so as to intersect the two sides at two distinct points. In the Suttama, in the other point, cutting both the sides. Two sides are not intersected at two distinct points. In the formula, it is cutting AB at B and AC at BS. These are called two distinct points, my dears. Our position. Okay, no issues. I think you can see now. You can see clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, friends, here. So this statement is so value here, please. If a line drawn, how are you drawing the line parallel to BC? You have three cases like this, like this, like this. So which case you are doing it? Is the first case, second case, third case? Yes.
Third case.
Third case. Therefore, that's why you should mention here, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle so as to intersect the two sides at two distinct points. So as to intersect the other two sides. One side poichma, one side parallel to this side. What are the remaining sides now? A, B and AC. So as to intersect the other two sides. Which are the other two sides there?
AB and AC, sir.
Brilliant, sir. AB and AC. What is this one side, ma? What is this
BC.
line, dear? Line is what, ma? If a line drawn, line is what? DE.
Back.
Line is what, ma? DE. Correct? Parallel
Yes,
to
sir.
one side. What is this one side? Which side it is? Who is that fellow?
BC, sir.
BC. Brilliant. DE drawn parallel to BC so as to intersect the AB and AC at two distinct points. Two distinct points. Then, இந்த மாதிரி நடந்தது பாய், இப்ப நடந்தது. ஓகே, நான் ஒரு லைன் டிரா பண்ணா அது வந்து இங்க AB and AC is intersected. என்ன நடக்க போகுது? Then what will happen? Then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. அண்ணா, இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட்டோட ரேஷியோ, AD ஓட ரேஷியோ, AD and BD ஓட ரேஷியோ is same as AE and EC oda ratio. Yes, this is what he is telling. Yes, in words he is telling that then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. Then they are divided in the same ratio. Then the two sides are. Then it divides. It means what, Mainga? The line. It divides them in the same ratio, my dear. Same ratio. Put the point clear, Mark? This is the English version. Statement, Mark. This is called statement. Statement of BPT, my dear. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle so as to intersect the other two sides at two distinct points, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, but then how do you transform this into given and to prove? Every statement has to be transformed into given and to prove. Yes. Next is given, Mark. Given. I told you, man, ninth standard, I told you, when I used to take classes, I used to tell you, what do you mean by a given, dears? Tell me. If part is called given, then part is called to prove. Did I tell you this, dears?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is given, dears? Tell me, what is given to you?
DE is parallel to BC, sir.
Brilliant, sir. DE is parallel to BC. Wonderful, ma. Wonderful, ma. See this. Line DE drawn parallel to BC. Okay. Now, what is to be proved, ma? Then the line divides them. Then means what? The two sides in the same ratio means what? Which are the? Can you tell the ratio, ma? What is to be proved? To prove, yes, tell me.
Is equal to AE by BC.
Once again, you say, Nagarani, you say it.
AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, sir.
Yeah, AD by
DB is equal to AE by EC.
Wonderful, very good. Nice. This is to be proved, ma. Okay. Then how? I will tell you two methods, yes. One is the textbook method, other one is the simplest method which ICSE has attempted. ICSE means what? Other board, okay, just like CBSE, State Board, and ICSE is there. One more, IGCSE is also there. State Board, CBSE, ICSE, and IGCSE. These are the different boards now. We are here. The better one is ICSE. Still better one is IGCSE. Okay. Forget everywhere mathematics only, but thinking is real different from ICSE. Fabulous one. Right. Friends, here I will tell you first one method which is not the textbook method. Okay. And the method na soliti, then I will go for textbook method also. Whatever. This is a statement. That's number one. Number two is given. Number three is to prove. What is number 4, dears? Anybody?
Proof part, sir.
Proof. No koncha think pananga, please. Anybody? What is that, dears? Yes, I'll give you time, please. Come on. In the figure, is it possible to prove, ma?
No.
So you need to do
Construction.
Brilliant. Construction, please. That is a brilliant one. Construction, please. This is a must point, ma. In the theorem, without construction, you cannot do it. What is the construction we are going to do? For textbook version, construction, but for ICSC method, you don't require any construction. Okay, I tell you. What is that ICSC method first? Okay, no need of construction for ICSC method. Proof, okay, direct proof. But for our textbook method, we need to do lot of construction here. Friends, it is given to you that these two lines are parallel. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If the two lines are parallel, what do you say about these two angles, ma, please?
Equal, sir.
Why? Why? Yes, absolutely right. Ma, you are right.
Alternate angles are equal.
Oh my God. No. Yaar solranga for alternate Ganita, I think, right? Yes, Ganita,
Yes, sir.
you said? Yeah. See here. Yes, please tell me. Yes.
Interior and
எல்லாரும் சொல்லுமா எல்லா விஷயங்களும் சொல்லுங்க ஓகே எல்லா சொல்லிட்டு see this is the problem. I think I only taught lines and angles to you in 9th standard. Do you remember? Of course your teacher also
Yes,
has
sir.
done it. I have done it. I told you in a simplest way, my dears. பாருங்க, these are the two parallel lines ma. இது ஒரு parallel line, இது ஒரு this is the parallel system. Yes, this is the transversal ma. வேணும்னா இந்த லைன் இப்படி எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. Friends, you take this part, my people. This is called inverted F or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this inverted F, these two angles are on the same side, right? Same side. And above the parallel line. Do you agree? This is a parallel
Yes,
line.
sir.
Parallel line. This is the angle. This is the angle. These two angles are equal. They are corresponding angles. F and corresponding angles, my dears. F is corresponding angles. Very, if you are used to that, you should use to that. Name or name வச்சிருக்காங்க, okay? அது என்னன்னா F. Right. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க இப்படி பார்த்தாலும் தெரியும் பாருங்க. இப்படி பாருங்க, இப்படி பாருங்க. இந்த F பாருங்க. இந்த F பார்த்தா கீழே F, இந்த F பார்த்தா down and down, yes. They are also corresponding angles. You should see that down and down, above and above, below and below, above and above. Above the parallel lines and below the parallel lines, they are called on the same side again. Same side of the transversal, right side of the transversal, or left side of the transversal. They must be on the same side. At the same time, they must be either above, both should be above, or both should be below. They are called corresponding angles, my dears. These are the corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are F and T down. Okay, keep it in mind, my dears.
Okay, sir.
So, இப்போ நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, இது சொல்லுங்க, this you tell me, is it parallel lines, above parallel, they are corresponding angles? Do you agree? X and X, can I say yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. இதே மாதிரி இங்க சொல்லலாமா இப்படி?
Yes, sir.
Some Y and Y?
Yes, sir.
So this you keep it as Z, nothing wrong. இப்போ பாருங்க, look at this now. This is the ICSC method I am telling you about. ICSC method. Simple method. So you can say like this, my proof. DE is parallel to BC, which implies that ADE, right? Angle ADE is equals to angle ABC. Corresponding angles. அதே மாதிரி சொல்லப்பா, இது இங்க வரும். AED is equal to ACB. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Both of them are equal to X. This one is equal to X. This one is equal to Y, yes. Then you just look at two triangles now, please, because our introduction to the chapter of triangles is similar triangles. Do you agree? Introduction to the chapter is
Yes,
similar
sir.
triangle. So we are catching with that concept now, please. Look at the two triangles. What are the two triangles we have? Now I am going above. What are the two triangles, my dears? One is the Kuti triangle called ABC, ADE, and other one is what, ma? Big triangle, ma? ABC. Are they similar or not, ma? Please tell me. Kuti triangle has got Z, X, Y, correct? The big
Yes, sir.
triangle, ma? DE. The big triangle, A, B, C, Z, X, Y. Look at both the triangles. Do they have same angles?
Yes, sir.
What did I say for similar triangle definition? If the two triangles have the equal angles, we say that they are similar. We say that they are
They are similar.
similar. That's why I wrote here, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. And also I told you that if two triangles are similar, their sides are, yes,
Proportional.
proportional. Yes, the proportionality first two years. AD by AB, the ratios are equal. Next, first two. In the Solomon, angles must be writing. While writing this, you must ensure that they must be corresponding. They must be corresponding. A corresponds to A, B corresponds to B, and E corresponds to C. And the order, then you will get it. Illana, you are totally collapsing it. Yes. Pharma, please. Friends, here AD by AB. Neenga sollu Kanita next. Yes. Proportional eppadi solluங்க, please. AD by AB. Next.
AE by AC, sir.
AE by AC. Next is DE by BC. Last two, right? DE by
Yes,
BC. Next, first and last, all combinations now. Okay, 1, 2, 3 years. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 1. Puridama solludu.
Yes, sir.
AE by AC. Wonderful, dears. AE by AC. Excellent, Maurice. Now, what you need to prove here, please try to understand this. AD by BD. You wanted. AD by BD. And AE by EC. We don't want any BC. Therefore, take these two dears. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Who is bigger, my love? AB perisa, AD perisa, ma, please.
AB is biggest.
Therefore, you write AB by AD, ma. Reverse panama, please. AC by AE, ma. Ratios can be inverted. No change will happen. Purida pa solludu purida?
Yes, sir.
முன்னாடியே நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம் இந்த மாதிரி ABC is similar to AD என்றது முன்னாடியே அப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். But I am just telling you what is possibilities. Okay, please. Right. இப்போ பாருங்க. AB by AD, AC by AE almost பாருமா. இங்க AD இருக்குதாங்க. இங்க AE இருக்குதாங்க. AD இங்க இருக்குதாங்க. AD இங்க AE இருக்குதாங்க. Slowly we are getting a shade of the what to prove. Yes. ஒருத்தே இருக்க பாருங்க. Just hold on. Friends, here AB by AD equals to AC by AE. Subtract 1 both the sides, my dear. Subtract 1 on both the sides. What do we get, ma? Please tell me. AB minus AD by AD is equal to AC minus AE by AE. Sir, why are you subtracting? Yeah. Why are you subtracting, sir? Because we don't need AB. AB is too big. Let us subtract from both the sides something to shorten it. Therefore, I subtracted 1 mark. Then you do the LCM, dears. AB minus AD. What is AB minus AD, Nagarani?
AD, sir.
Parma, is the Parma? Is the Parma? AB minus AD is what? The Divya?
BD, sir.
Brilliant, sir. AB is this whole thing there. Minus AD ma. It is removed, but now what is remaining now? BD by AD. What is this? This thing, Ganita? AC minus AE. Enapa?
AC, sir.
That's all. What is that? Once again, you say it.
EC.
Hey, once again, ma, you see,
C.
ma, please. Say once again, AC minus AE. What do we get?
EC.
EC, brilliant. EC by AE. If a partner what to prove now? Let's see this. Reverse following ratios. Now invertendo we call it AD by BD is equal to AE by EC, which implies that's all, yes. Hence, proved, my dears. Is it clear now? Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This method is not in our textbook. Such a simple method which is not there in our textbook. That is a tragedy, please. That is CBSE. You like this method, please? Do you like this method?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
not
sir.
simpler? Is it not simpler than your textbook method?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Therefore, you take this. You can write in the board, ma. Board will say that, but they encourage it. You can write any method of your choice, provided it should be mathematically sound. Yes, it is a pakka arrange. Your chapter itself is triangles, similar triangles, ma, please. So we are using similar triangles. How is it in this disqualified? Tell me, please. Come on, you take it. Yes. So this is a statement, ma. This is a figure, PPT statement. It's a title of the theorem. BPT or a statement is here. Then statement of BPT is here, ma. Then you are going for a given. Given means if part. Given means if part. To prove means what? Then part. Then construction is needed, but in this case construction is not required. Then proof, yes. If D is parallel to BC, we get a corresponding angles X and Y, X and X, Y and Y. Corresponding angles are equal. Where both of them are equal to X. Here also same case, where both are equal to Y. Then you get a cookie triangle and big triangle. Both of them are having. And one more idea I will tell you, dears, whether you agree with me or not. ABC, DEF. This is 20, ma, is 80. This is 20, is 80. Can you say both the triangles are similar now?
Sir,
20 and
triangle
80.
is not visible, sir.
Triangle is not visible. Okay, sir. Right. Pupa, is in the triangle, okay? Okay. Got it. I understand. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. ABC, ma. This is your triangle, ma. Inner triangle, DEF, ma. Friends, this is 20 degree. This is also 20 degree, ma. This is 80 degree, this is also 80 degree. Can you say the two triangles similar is my question. Can you say two triangles similar?
Yes.
Yes? Yes or no, pa? Why, ma? Why?
Yes. Angles are
20. This also will become 80 by angle sum property. That means if you want say similarity of triangles, you don't require all the three angles, my dears. அதே மாதிரி இங்க இது x y மாதிரி இதுல வந்து xy இதுல வந்து xy, therefore third angle must be automatically equal. That's what I am trying to say. Yes, புரியுதாமா? சொல்றது புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Yes. So you get a similar triangles. Take the two triangles. Therefore, triangle AD is similar triangle ABC. But you should be very careful while writing this. A corresponds to A because A is a common vertex for both the triangles. A and A. Fine, fantastic. Next, in the D means what should be here? B. D corresponds to B. In the E corresponds to C. And the correspondence mattum kandipa neenga or order lo paati careful ah eludum. Once you write this, then we know that if two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are corresponding sides are proportional. For corresponding sides, chumma edo or side kadiyadu. Corresponding sides first two. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க 1 2 3 எழுதிக்கோங்க. 1 2 3 1 2 AD இங்க AB. Next 2 3 DE BC. Next 3 1 1 3 AE AC. பாருங்க. Is it okay ma? Clear?
yes, sir.
Then if you look at what to prove, yes, what to prove. கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க what to prove and see, I told you earlier. In our mathematics, all the proof sums, you should be very, very careful about one thing, RHS. You should have your eye on RHS. Please understand this. Always should have eye on RHS. RHS la enna irukuma? AD irukuma. Ana idu venum. Inga paarunga AE irukuma. Ana AE idu venum. Idu thevai illa. Therefore, that you relieve it and take these 2 years. Clear? Is it okay,
Yes, sir.
Right. So, but Anna, this is AD is smaller than AB, therefore I will reverse it, ma. Okay, if the two sides, both the sides, you do the reversing job, it will be clear, ma. Please, I will tell you this like this: 1/2 is equal to 2/4, ma. Okay, 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Now you reverse it. 2/1 equal to what, ma? 4/2. Are they same or not?
Yes, sir. They are same.
That's all, yes. So that's why I am reversing the ratios now. Nagarani, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So AB by AD equal to AC by AE, yes. Then, now friends, you don't need AD. AB we don't want here. You want AD, but you want to bring in BD. You want to bring in BD, my dears. எப்படி கொண்டு வரதுன்னா AB நமக்கு தேவை இல்லை. ஆனா we have to cut down the size of AB. Therefore, you subtract 1 from both the sides. LCM. Wow. AB minus AD. My AB ana idu pa, AD ana idu. AB in the AD pona, what is remaining? Yes? BD.
DB.
Yeah. AC minus AE. AC minus AE. What is this, ma?
AC, sir.
EC.
That's all, yes, you got this one. Now, you look at the RHS again. He is telling AD by BD. Therefore, you reciprocate it. AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. That's Sam's proved. How beautiful it is, okay? You can. So beautiful, right? This is the BPT by using similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles. எழுதுக்கோப்பா, ப்ளீஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் தட்மா. ப்ராப்பரா எழுதுக்கோங்க. டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் மெத்தட் உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Did you understand BPT dears from the textbook?
Yes, sir.
You all know how to write the proof. Okay, இது எழுதுக்கோங்க. I will come to the second model. I will ask you questions, you answer it. Okay, very good. Come on, take this first.
Okay, sir.
Like எழுதுக்கோங்க, please complete பண்ணுங்க. Right, ma, over.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken it? Yeah. So now what are you doing? The second method, what is there in your textbook? Okay, I just don't go and spend much time on that because it's there in the textbook and we start to talk to you. And I'll ask only questions to you, and each time you answer it enough. Statement is same, yes. Figure is same here, but we are not going for angle method. What method we are doing there, ma? Please, anybody? What concept you are using there, ma? In PPT textbook method. Yes, Divya. Okay, I'll remove even this also because we know the statement. Figure mattum konjam perusa draw pandra. Yes, what concept we are using, ma? What is the basic idea while proving the theorem? Yes, on what basis we are proceeding? Yes. Think panni solunga. You see your theorem and then how you proceeded with your proof. Based on that, you please tell me. This is DE. This is parallel to this. Friends, you made a construction, dears. What is the one more thing is that given, what is given, dears? Given is DE is parallel to BC, and prove what is to prove, dear? Tell me. Naga, tell me.
AD by BD is equal to AE by EC, sir.
Wonderful. Okay, sir. Right. Done. Then, what is the construction we are doing, Ganita? Yes. Please tell me. What construction we are doing here, and what is the purpose? Purpose தெரியாம நீங்க just you will be mugging up, அந்த மாதிரி வரக்கூடாதுமா. என்ன எதனால நம்ம இந்த கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் பண்றோம்ன்றது நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபீல் பண்ணா, then you don't forget, please. Friends, here we are using this ma AD by BD அன்றது இந்த ரேஷியோ நம்ம பேஸ் பண்ணி just ஒரு thinking சொல்றேன். ADE மா ADE இந்த E ஆட் பண்ணுங்க, இந்த AED பண்ணுங்க, AED இந்த BD BDE இங்க வந்து ECD, okay, or ECB ன்னு சொல்லலாமா? Yeah, BDE and ECD, okay, பண்ணலாம், right, பண்ணலாம். Is it not? This is a triangle ADE, triangle BDE, triangle AED, triangle ECD. These two triangles are same. ADE and AED, are they same or not?
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
So, enna nama idea enna pa, please? We have to talk to the triangles. Triangle based panona, you require ADE triangle ma, ADE triangle. Or triangle we have talk anna, then we should talk about the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle venona, you require a half into base into height. Base irukkom, but AD under the base ma. What about the height? Height and it should come from the opposite vertex. This is the height minus. Draw a perpendicular. பாருங்க, இப்படி இந்த சைடு போறோம்னா A போறோம்னா இப்படி. This is called EF and this is called DG ma. பாருங்க. So what is the construction you are doing ma? Area concept எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Area concept. Area of a triangle concept எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் now you can area of a triangle concept. Then if you want area, yes, you require height. Therefore, draw a perpendicular from E to AB. Okay, AB full வந்து அதே height marks. Please. அதே மாதிரி D linda from the vertex D to this base ma, AE base or AC base, however. So write down, draw perpendicular from D to AC. If AC ன்னு சொன்னா it could be for AB also ma. Also draw perpendicular from E to E linda இருக்குப்பா AB. இந்த ஸ்டேட்மென்ட் புரியுதாமா? இது ஓகேப்பா? இது
Yes, sir.
This is the construction you have made it correct. Also you made one more construction. Can you please tell me what is that? Yes, please. Yes, Ganita, any more construction you made it? No. Okay. Join CD, my dears. எதுக்குன்னா இங்க இருக்க பாருங்க, AE and EC இருக்க பாருங்க. EC என்றது இருக்கு பாருங்க. அப்ப நமக்கு ஒரு triangle வேணும் with EC base. ஓகேவா? புரியுதா? Then
Okay, sir.
EC base, EC is the base ma. Therefore, you should have a triangle. EC is the base and DG is the height, yes. அதே மாதிரி you want a BD. BD is the area. So BD is the base and you need a triangle. There is no triangle for BD ma. Therefore, if I join B to E, if I join C to D, சொல்றது புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Join CD, join C and D. Also join B and E. Okay, Baba, right? Is it clear, ma?
Yes,
So,
sir.
you have to get a triangle for BD base, ma. So, remove pandra. Please tell me, with BD base, do you have a triangle? Please tell me, dear. Yes. The BD base are actually a triangle irukka illa. Therefore,
No,
make a triangle ma. This make a triangle here. Appa BDE என்றது ஒரு triangle ma, please. அதே மாதிரி CE என்றது ஒரு base ஆ பண்ணிட்டு, do you have a triangle? Yes, you should make it like this. ஐயா சார்
Yes, sir.
சிஇ சார் நீங்க சொல்லலாம் சிஇபி இருக்குல்ல சார் ட்ரையாங்கிள், பட் சிஇபி என்பது இது பேஸா வச்சோம்னா இங்க இந்த வெர்டெக்ஸ் ஹைட் வரணும்ப்பா. எங்க இருக்குமா ஹைட்? புரியுதா புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
The CEB என்றது ட்ரையாங்கிள்னா B ல இருந்தா ஹைட் வரணும்ப்பா. ஹைட் இல்ல, இது பேஸ்மா. இது பேஸ்னா ஹைட் should be from the opposite vertex, my dear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not valid, ma. There you need a triangle like this, ma, please. Clear, da? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Friends, the CE is the base, and now what is the height for this CE, ma? Please, can anybody tell? CE is the base. What is the height, ma? Relax, relax. AE is the base, dear. What is the height, ma?
G is the DG.
DG. DG is the height. Arma. AE ke opposite vertex is D. So D is the perpendicular one. That's called height, dears. I told you, dears, in the full side ku vandu height DZ da. Please understand this. அதே மாதிரி AD க்கு வந்து height என்னப்பா? EF. For BD also height is what, ma? EF. எதுக்கு சார் அப்படி டார்ச்சர் பண்றீங்க நீங்கன்னா சொல்றேன். This is the triangle, ma. This is the triangle. What type of triangle is called? Yes, obtuse angle triangle. இதுக்கு height என்ன வரும்ப்பா? What is the height, please? Come on. This is the height outside. D. Suppose you take one more triangle, my friend. For BCA, ABC triangle area enna solreenga, please tell me. For ABC triangle, what is the area you tell? Half into BC into, this is the base dear. This is the base. Height is what, ma? Though it is outside, you say AD is the height, my dear. I want ACE triangle, my area of ACE triangle, my dears. Half into base enna, my base
CE, sir.
and height enna pa? Height again AD. This is what you need to understand, my dears. This note panikonga, dears. Note panikonga, appo oralu puriyum, please. Very difficult, my, very very difficult. I am taking a lot of time to explain this for you. ஒரு ஸ்டெப் ஒரு வாட்டி இது புரிஞ்சுதா ப்ளீஸ்? Once you understand this, I think you will never forget in life, please. நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க ஒரு வாட்டி ப்ளீஸ். இது நோட் பண்ணுங்க. இது பாருங்க, triangle was like this is a triangle, ma. And the triangle is common vertex is there, ma. What is the common vertex here? A. What is the common vertex for AED and ECD, ma? D. D is the common vertex. Therefore, AD is the height. Same height for both. BC is the height for these two. Aha. Puriyadappa?
Yes, sir.
This is the height, ma. Elukoma, in the concept da we use பண்ணிட்டோம், please. Right. Ipo once you have copied this one, I will go for construction is over. Proof da pa next proof vandu nama achidalam, seekirama achidalam. Okay, shall I repeat now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Proof part. Just look at the proof. Friends, proof start பண்ணும்போது நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா, please just look at this one, ma. AD by BD base. Okay. AD base பண்ணி, AD is a base. What's the triangle, dears? ADE. Write down area of a triangle ADE, right? By பாருங்க, இங்க பாருங்க AD. Next என்ன பாருங்க?
BD.
BD. What's the triangle, ma? BDE.
Area of triangle BDE.
Nice, very nice. Come on, tell me, how do you write area of a triangle ADE? Ganita, tell me. What is the formula here? Area of triangle formula? Half into
Base into
height, sir.
Salupa, what is the base and what is the height? Base and our base. ADEDS, ADE. தெரியுதுலமா board தெரியுதா?
yes,
சொல்லுங்க.
Sir.
Half into one of you take the lead, ma. ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல, please.
AD.
Yeah, excellent. Half into base into this is the base, ma. Height என்னப்பா? EF.
DG.
EF, my AD க்கு வந்து opposite vertex and E. This is the height, ma, please. Okay. Triangle BDE, Nagarani, tell me, ma, BDE க்கு வந்து base என்னவையா?
Half into DB into EF, sir.
EF, brilliant, ma. Same height, my dear. That's all, ma. That's all, yes. Cut panma, half of cut, EF cut, you get AD by BD. Okay? This is number 1, yes. And now you got this. Next, ma. Next, which two triangles, ma? AED. Parang, this base, da. This base. AED. So, tell me now, area of a triangle AED by area of a triangle. Come on. Yeah.
DEC.
Soluma, EC.
ECD.
ECD.
Yeah. AED ki. Janita, tell me area, ma. AED.
Half into AE.
Half into.
AE.
Excellent.
Into GD, sir.
DG, ma. DG. Brilliant, ma. Wonderful, ma. Wonderful. DG. Whole divided by, tell me for ECD, ma. Divya.
Half into
Yes.
EC
Yes. Easy,
into DG.
so what is that deal in the other vertex report? Height, DG.
DG.
Same father, cut panna mudiyum, okay? So it is called AE by EC. This is number 2, DS. Friends, we have to equate these two. இந்த ரெண்டு equate பண்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு tool நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Then only proof is done. Yes or no, dears? Proof is done. Yes or no, pa? Shall I now this 1 and 2 somehow I have to say that these two are equal, ma. அது எப்படி சொல்றது, pa? Please tell me. Look at this, ma. Friends, Paraja, look at this, ma. Are you watching, dears? Are you tired? I'll end, ma. Once I complete this one, I will end it, okay? Right, okay. Friends, for these two, right, what is to be proved, my dear? AD by BD is AE by EC, right? But connect pandrathu yaru. So, if I want to make them equal, then I have to make these two equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So how to make these two equal, now? In the end, we equal connect and now we have to connect these two equal. If I say these two are equal, I can say these two are equal, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, pa? Ganita, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See, ma, in the end, 1 and 2 equal, in the AD by BD equal to AE by EC. If I want to say, I can say these two are equal, automatically these two will be equal or not? Therefore, yeah. Friends, now look at. It is enough to prove that. It is enough to prove that. What? 1 equal to 2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But adula vandu It's enough to prove that what ma? Area of triangle ADE. Parpa, please. Are you watching?
Yes, sir.
Area of ECD ma. This nama in the rendu equivalent prove pannappa. I have to prove this now ma. This is called required to prove pa. Innu par raja. Innu konja paaruga koncham. Hey, mela par ma. Numerator par raja. ADE minor. What is there ma? ADE.
AD.
What is there here?
AED.
AED.
Are they same or different?
Same, sir.
They are same. Therefore, already these two are equal ma. They are same triangles there. Then, what is required to be proved? Only the denominator should be equal. Yes or no, dears?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, finally, it is required to prove what? Area of triangle BDE is equals to area of a triangle ECD. Yes or no, yes?
Yes, sir.
Till this take my last ரெண்டு step நான் முடிக்க போறேன். எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay, ஒரு 2 minutes எழுதிக்கோங்க. I'll come back.
Okay, sir.
Over ma? Is
Yes,
it over,
sir.
dear? Yeah. Friends, we are in the verge of completion ma. இதுதான் நம்ம முடிக்கிறோம்ப்பா. நம்ம we have to prove only this part ma. What are those two triangles, dear? Can you please tell me, one of you? Area of
Triangle BDE
equals to
is equal to area of triangle
ECD. Array, this is called BDE. Paringa, BDE. This is called CED ma in the paraja. So I can rub this my everything except figure.
Sir, video is not visible, sir.
Video is not visible. எது இப்படிப்பா? என்னப்பா என்ன? What happened? சுத்தமா தெரியலப்பா. It's not completely visible ma. Utterly visible, not visible. இல்ல மேல தெரியலையா?
Sir, I think your video is off.
இல்லையாப்பா எப்படி ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது என்னம்மா அது வீடியோ இஸ் ஆன்மா பக்கா ஆன் இப்ப all of you not
Yes,
able to
sir.
see ma தெரியுதா
Yes, sir. Visible.
ஓகே 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 பாருமா இப்ப ஜஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் நீங்க இது பாத்துக்கோங்க வாட் இஸ் தட் ஏரியா ஆஃப் BDE is equal to area ஓஹோ இந்த டவுன் பார்ட் தெரியலன்றீங்களா
Yes, sir.
It is visible now, sir.
yeah area of BDE ma area of BDE என்ன இதுமா BDE must be equal to area of ECD ma இதுக்கு நான் சொல்ல போறேன் இப்ப I think you have copied right
Yes, sir.
okay pa right let us see now we are going to complete now wait பண்ணுங்க friends இது பாருமா இது இப்படி இருக்கமா பாரு this is DE my dears and this is BC I joined this and இதுக்கு okay there is something else here okay like this இதுக்கு வந்து perpendicular இங்க இருக்குது இதுக்கு வந்து perpendicular இப்படி இருக்குது ஓகேவா right you please tell me this fellow and this fellow ma in the triangle and in the triangle ma please they have can I say my please listen dears can I say this triangle DEB ma in the triangle சொல்லலாமா இப்படி yes hello
Yes, sir.
DEB ன்னு சொல்லலாமா BED வந்து BDE வந்து DEB ன்னு சொல்லலாமா இது வந்து DEC ன்னு சொல்லலாமா
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can you say that they both have same base yes
Yes, sir.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி BDE ன்னு சொல்லிருந்தோம் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி CED ன்னு சொல்லிருந்தோம் அதே கொஞ்சம் மாத்தி எழுதுனாப்பா CED பதிலா DEC ன்னு எழுதுனா ஓகேவா
Okay, sir.
right friends here the two triangles mark this fellow and this fellow they both have same base and lie between the same parallels formula which standard you learned this concept ma please if two triangles have the same base and lie between the same parallels then Nagarani yeah then
They are congruent.
no. Then their areas are equal. இது என்ன சாப்டர்ல இருக்கமா இது 9th standard area of parallelograms and triangles if two triangles have the same base and lie between the same parallels then their areas are equal no so write down this one now triangle BED or triangle DEB and triangle DEC triangle BDEB is same as what yes same as triangle BDE right
Yes,
yes or no is equal to what ma area of a triangle DEC right area of a triangle DEC same as what ma DEC and CED right
yes, sir.
okay when I this just summa ungalku confusion varakudadu thirupi okay right I hope it is clear ma please tell me
Yes, sir.
now these two triangles ma triangle DEB and DEC y ma y bracket y triangle DEB and triangle DEC have Have what? Have what do they have?
Same base and lie.
Have same base and lie between same pair of parallels, ma. Same pair of parallels. Then we know that, we know that. What do we know that? If two triangles have the same base and lie between same parallels, then their areas are
Equal.
equal. This, because of this, numerators were equal, denominators are equal, therefore 1 and 2 are equal. Do you agree now?
Yes, sir.
1 equal to 2. What was 1, ma? AD by BD. What was 2 ds? AE by EC. பாருங்க நான் எழுதுனது 1 பாருங்க. Okay, hence proved my ds. பாருங்க. Is it clear, ds? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I think you must be tired. நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி திருப்பி டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, நல்லா எழுதிக்கோங்க. வீடியோ பாருங்க, இன்னொரு வாட்டி வீடியோ பாருங்க. Okay, I will be sending the video file. I'll upload it. Okay, we will see the other theorems. Ma இன்னொரு கிளாஸ் நீங்க வேணும்னா நீங்க கேட்கலாம். Okay, please take the classes as many as you want. I don't mind. If you like want to pay the fee and all, you pay it, or else also don't mind. Okay, I don't worry whether you pay it or not, but you please learn it. It's very, very important. This triangles is a very, very dangerous topic. Idu purinjidana, that's all. Mathematics will be flat. Edukana, the ultimate understanding of mathematics is the geometry. Okay, therefore in the chapter da, if you want to score centum, this is the one topic that will put you down, dears. That's why I am taking this chapter. Please don't think that sir is working for நீங்க pay பண்ணா நான் survive ஆகணும் கிடையாது. Please, no. I wanted to teach you are the best talent. Okay, I am not asking everybody to come. If they come, fine. If they don't come, but I want to see that these are the very, very talented children and very, very focused children. That's why I am in communication with you. Okay, all. I have all your details. I have because I was in a group, right? That group message, this thing is there with me. But I don't know whether we would justify if you take everybody. But I want only limited people, top people. I wanted. Top people join on it, better. It's their wish. But you please, you don't mind about whether you will pay it or not. If your parents are, what to say, if they are able to pay, let them pay, or else you please attend the classes whenever you want. You ask me the class, yes. Okay. Thank you. All the best. God bless you. See you in the next class now. Okay. Be in constant. All the best. All the best.
Thank
and
you,
I'll send you the video. Please watch. What, Naga? How was the class?
Nice, sir.
She left. Okay. Ganita, how was the class, ma? Yeah, she's there. Okay.